So we were up against noise, leaks, and body corporate fees, and we still cracked the $750K ceiling in this building. With this particular property, they had 2 showers and both of them were leaking downstairs, and the owners hadn't known about this for about 6 months. So they got a quote for $20,000 to get that work repaired, and it was a significant amount of money, and they needed to know whether they should do it before selling and a range of other questions that prevented them from actually pulling the trigger on a sales strategy. And so when I came in, the first answer is yes, you absolutely have to have that work done. You need to make sure the property is presented well for the buyer. You need to make sure any work that you do is done properly. You can't just cover things up. It's just not the way to move forward with a sale transaction. We looked at the $20,000 quotes. I had my trades go in and we got both showers completely gutted, re-waterproofed, re-tiled, new shower screens for $4,700 when they had a $20,000 quote from another company to do that. All of that work from the day that I met them to the day that it was completed was 3 weeks. And this review is online, so you can see all of this work that's been done. What we then did was we gave the property a coat of paint, and then we had a few things to struggle with. We had a $9,000 body corporate. We had noise that was on the main road. Now that we'd finished the leaks, but these were still 2 problems that we needed to overcome. And so the presentation of the property and the fact that it had 2 new bathrooms just made people passionately fall in love with this property. It did take a little bit longer because we were holding out for this high price, and this comes back to the conversation I have with people about holding strong on strategy and being firm on price. We had a property downstairs sell for $735,000. We still held firm on a high 7 number. We ended up getting $765,000. The buyer was super ecstatic. The couple were away on their honeymoon when the property went unconditional. Now they've settled and they're looking at buying their new home. So it was a great outcome and a great strategy. Cookie cutting is rife in the industry and doesn't deliver great outcomes. Come to me for a well thought through strategic plan that delivers you your outcome.